why Donald Trump announced 25% tariff before Modi reached out to USA. Just Modi reached out France for AI summit. After that, he will go to USA. Just before 2 days ago, Donald Trump he raised concern to India as far as he just announced for the stainless steel 25% tariff for India and 10% tariff for aluminium components. So why just reached out to US Prime Minister Narendra Modi before that? Why Donald Trump raised concern by increasing his tariff, whereas India steel materials, raw materials are coming from USA as well as China. Means India import steel raw materials from USA and as well as China. After that, in making some components. Actually Donald Trump he have a much more cognizance to global diplomacy, and in this context he little bit try raise or worry to Prime Minister Narendra Modi just reached out to US. That's the Donald Trump tactics. Always he do. He always who take the way in this type of tactics. So Donald Trump he actually have a businessman. So as a president of USA, he simultaneously doing a business across the world. Actually, he spoke out earlier that only America first. For me, America first. So he is doing that. This work he is doing, and every time when he go to visit something or not visit something, always he spoke out a diplomatic way. He also speak that Israel he not to reach out Gaza, he did not to reach out Palestine, but America reached out Palestine. He spoke out he want to Greenland to deploy the cops. So every Donald Trump, President Donald Trump, every speak that have been a diplomatic way that every time you not understand. But you understand after that when he take another decision for this country or for this region, you must understand after that. And always America or Donald Trump must have to as a king of across the world. Actually, America profile all the world. American technology, American AI, American fighter, American platform like Google, Facebook, everything is America. So if America is not, therefore whole world is zero. So there happened another thing everything there have control to USA. So in present time, Chinese they are doing the everything his own, but rest of the world they are propelled by the USA. And all that's also another thing, that is terrorism, business, many country amusement and oil materials are coming from USA. Everything when you think about materials you use, it can be USA or it can be Chinese. So without USA you not thinking anything. So that's why when Prime Minister Modi will reach to USA to something negotiate or something taken or they have to discuss it, before that Donald Trump he raised a concern among India as well as Prime Minister Modi, whereas the negotiable is favor of Donald Trump. In this context, he spoke out, he announced today that 25% tariff must have increased to India. But actually, that after visiting the Prime Minister Modi, it will get a negotiable. It decreased a little bit, but gainer for Donald Trump. In this context, he announced that. Thank you.